running my own restaurant every day and competing on nationally televised food shows, having the right tools is the most important thing. Dexter manufactures more than just knives. They've got a great variety of turners, servers, and spatulas too. I work all day in my restaurant, and a professional quality turner is one of the most important tools in my arsenal. Dexter turners and servers flex where I need them to flex. That's built into each blade so I can be quick and efficient. Like the Dexter knife, the handle on the turner is designed for comfort and control, so I get a perfect result whether I'm flipping a piece of fish or serving pie. This Cool Blue high heat handle can withstand temperatures of up to 500 degrees, so it keeps working under the toughest conditions. It's got a quality stainless steel working end, and the Dexter edge makes turning a breeze.
Dexter turners and spatulas bring real innovation to every chef's kitchen. It's the quality stainless steel and precise flex points that make turning and serving a breeze. That's the Dexter edge. Dexter turners and spatulas are comfortable in your hand, so you can work for hours without experiencing wrist fatigue. When you hold a Dexter product, you've got nearly 200 years of cutlery knowledge in the palm of your hand. Dexter is the industry leader because of a commitment to producing quality, American-made turners and spatulas that perform day in and day out.
As a pastry chef, good spatulas are some of my most important tools. Dexter Baker's spatulas are flexible. I can scrape the mixing bowl and spread the batter without switching tools. I really love the versatility and appreciate the thought that goes into the precise flex points. Dexter spatulas are ground to flex so they can form to the shape of my mixing bowl. That way I can quickly and efficiently remove this frosting from the bowl. And because they are professionally heat treated, they return from flex to straight every time. These tools make frosting a breeze. Baking is my life, my livelihood, my passion. I choose tools that keep up with me and help me stay sharp and flexible. In my kitchen, I choose Dexter.
Dexter is the largest manufacturer of professional cutlery in America. Our Southbridge, Massachusetts factory has produced the finest quality cutlery and developed technological advancements since 1818. We take pride in every product we make. Each piece that we produce is tested for quality and performance before it reaches your hand.
If you use Dexter products, we thank you. We hope we can be your product solution. At Dexter, we're not the best because we're the oldest in America. We're the oldest in America because we're the best.